Hey guys, Tech with a quick fix video for you guys. Now, if your iPhone 10 series is stuck, frozen, or unresponsive, you want to follow these one quick tip to fix it and get you up and running. So you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button. We're going to press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down quickly, and then hold that big side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you'll let go of that side button. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold the side button just like that. And for this, you don't have to touch your screen at all, just the volume up and volume down. Press and release them quickly and then hold that side button. And once you see the screen goes black, that's good. We're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear on our screen, and at that time we let go of that side button, and all that's doing is shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue, which is most likely the case why the phone is frozen, stuck, or unresponsive, it'll fix it and you should be up and running after you get back onto your phone. This method is completely safe. Your photos, videos, apps, and everything will still be on your phone. You won't lose any of that, and you might have to do it a few times for it to finally work. So if it doesn't work the first time around, try it again. Make sure when you do it, it's volume up and volume down quickly, and then hold that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. And I hope this quick video is helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.